The Bull attorneys are committed to serving Wichita with their new focus on oil tanker crash cases. Leveraging extensive experience in personal injury law, they aim to provide robust legal representation and secure maximum compensation for those affected by oil tanker accidents. With a proven track record in farm equipment and cattle truck accidents, the Bull attorneys are now addressing the complexities of oil tanker crashes. Their skilled attorneys are dedicated to holding negligent parties accountable and obtaining justice for accident victims in Wichita. The Bull attorneys expand their legal services to include oil tanker crashes, ensuring comprehensive representation for victims. Their team's extensive experience in personal injury law positions them as leading advocates for those impacted by catastrophic oil tanker accidents. Wichita's Bull attorneys are taking on oil tanker crash cases, bringing their expertise in farm equipment and cattle truck accidents to this new focus area. Click the link in the description to find out more.